Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Mike C in Florida on this RCI-2970N4. Mike got it ready to go for you here. Went through and added your voltage regulator upgrade to it. Sent you a picture of that as well. And get right to it. RF power all the way down, 250 watt slug, 25 watts, 125 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, about 215 average. We had to go to the 1000 watt slug, and you'll see why here shortly in PEP. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 600 PEP. All right, Mike, let's go over here to sideband, let you see it. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, audio, about 535, 540 on sideband. All right, Mike, we're going to get this out to you today. Hope you get many years enjoyment out of it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.